Hi everyone, I'm Zena, founder and master tea blender at clubmagichour.com. We have this beautiful new collection of Earl Greys, and I'm calling them the Goddess of Earl Grey because they're a feminine twist on the classic of Earl Grey. And what makes Earl Grey is bergamot. Bergamot is a citrus fruit that originated in China and is now grown in Sicily and Calabria. And it is, for me, it has been used. You know, bergamot is one of those scents where you use it in perfume, you use it in aromatherapy as a mood uplifter and as one of nature's natural antidepressants. And so it's great in the winter. It's great during a foggy day. I love it any time of day, but it really does lift the spirits. And so when I created these blends, I really pulled together all of my favorite black teas from all over the world. And I blended them together, and then I made this one also with Madagascar vanilla bean from Madagascar that is 12-month aged. So it's got this really intoxicating, rich smell to it that makes you feel sexy. I mean, there's nothing more sexy than Madagascar vanilla beans. So we'll see how sexy we feel after we make this drink. So this drink is a Madagascar vanilla gin cocktail, and we are pretty excited. I've never tasted it. Ashley did the recipe, and we will see how it goes. So you want 1.5 ounces of gin. I'm not a big liquor drinker, so we'll see how I do with this, but it sounds kind of fun. I mean, gin on it's Friday at 5 right now, literally, so it's kind of great. So you put that in there. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna put 2 ounces of strongly steeped Madagascar vanilla Earl. And so you go ahead and put that in there. I'm gonna put a little extra of this just because I love the smell and I don't love a stiff drink. Okay, and then you're gonna put a little bit of oat milk. I didn't think gin and oat milk would ever cross paths, but they are today, okay? Then you're gonna put 1 ounce or 1/2 ounce, depends on how sweet you like your drinks, of simple syrup. Okay, so all of that in a cup of tea. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and stir that. I mean, it looks great, and I'm using my Lucky You're the Dragon cocktail mix pitcher. We sell these on the website. I'm not sure if we still have any, but I got mine from our website. Oh God, that's actually really good. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pour that in here. And then I'm going to garnish with a vanilla bean. And vanilla is very expensive, so this is like a $10 garnish. And then I'm going to taste it. Okay, let's see how we do. It's actually really, really good. I never in a million, you can't actually really taste the gin. So I do recommend using a good amount of tea, but oh, it tastes good. It's creamy, it's uplifting. You taste the vanilla come through, you taste the black tea come through really well. And the bergamot is like, you know, this is a drink that kisses you back. Yum. Yeah, that's a winner. Love it. Okay, well, there you have it. That's one more way to drink your Earl Grey. But of course, you can always steep it hot, sweeten with honey, and use a little milk. But yeah, I think wow, I just got like, or you can have it in a cocktail. So here's to your health and well-being. And you can do this as a mocktail without the gin, because I think that would be just as good, if not better. Enjoy.